Welcome to the 16th video of arithmetic progressions. In yesterday's class, we had seen if two terms of the AP are given, how do we use elimination method to find out one more term that they have asked in the question, right? So we'll continue with the problems in today's class. There's a question in the board already. The question reads, if the third and the ninth term of the AP are 4 and minus 8, it means the third term is 4 and ninth term is minus 8 respectively. Which term of the AP is 0? Okay, so that third term will be 4, ninth term will be minus 8. Which term will be equal to 0? Okay, that term we should find out. That means basically we are finding out the value of n in this problem. So as usual, let us write down what we have. A3 we have as 4, third term is 4, and A9 we have as minus 8. Okay, so let us now first try to convert them into their general forms. A3 can be converted as A plus 2D, which will be equal to 4. And now A9 can be written as A plus 8D, which will be equal to minus 8. Let us perform elimination method. This is minus, so that will become plus. So plus A and minus A will get cancelled. Plus into minus is minus. 8D minus 2D is 6D. 8 is greater, it has minus n, so minus 6D. But that is equal to, this is plus, this is also plus. Plus into plus is plus. 8 plus 4 is 12. And it will have plus n because 8 is greater. So D will be equal to 12. Into minus 6 will become divided by minus 6. 6 ones are 6. 6 twos are 12. D is equal to, we have learned in previous classes, whenever we have negative sign in the denominator, it should always be taken to the numerator. So we have 2, if I take this negative sign to the numerator, the value of D becomes minus 2. So D is equal to minus 2. After getting the value of D, let us now find out what is going to be the value of A. Put D is equal to minus 2 in any one equation, this one or this one. You can call this as 1, this as 2. So I'll take first one. If you want, you can also try with second one. First equation is A plus 2D equals 4. The value of A we are finding out, plus 2 into the value of D is minus 2 is equal to 4. Plus into minus is minus. 2 2s are 4 is equal to 4. A is equal to 4 I will write first. Minus 4 when I shift now it will become plus 4. A equals 4 plus 4 is 8. So the value of A is equal to 8. Okay. Now I use the formula of AN. AN is equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. So in place of AN I'll write it as 0 because they have already given in the question that the term is 0. So in place of AN I'll take it as 0. N means n will represent which term will be equal to 0. So 0 is equal to, the value of A will be equal to 8 plus n I am finding out. So n minus 1 into the value of D is minus 2. 0 plus 8, if I shift it, it will become minus 8 is equal to n minus 1 into minus 2. 0 minus 8 is minus 8 only, is equal to n minus 1 into minus 2. Okay. Minus 8 into minus 2 will come here, it will become divided by minus 2. So minus and minus will get cancelled. 2 1s are 2, 2 4s are 8 is equal to n minus 1. 4 minus 1, if I take it, it will become plus 1 is equal to n. So the value of n is 4 plus 1 is 5. What is the meaning of this? N is equal to 5. It means the fifth term of this AP will be equal to 0. So they are asking which term of the AP is 0. So that 0 was taken in the place of An. Which term is fifth term? Fifth term of the AP is going to be 0. It is just like the last problem. We were given two values, but instead of asking find the 29th term or find the fifth term like last problem, they have already given what will come in that term. The term that will come is 0. They are asking in which place it will come as 0. So the answer will be in the fifth place, or the fifth term of this AP will be equal to 0. I hope you have understood this problem. Let us move on to the next one. So the next question is, the 17th term of an AP exceeds its 10th term by 7, find the common difference. Okay. First of all, we have to learn the technique of converting the given statements into their equation forms. Otherwise, you will not be able to do the problems. First of all, let me write down whatever I understand. Okay. And so I have something called a 17th term. 17th term means A17. Okay. Next I have 10th term. 10th term means A10, so I will write down A10 also. Then I have some number like 7, so I will write down 7. Now I need to make this as equation. So there are three things basically in this problem. 17th term means A7, 10th term means A10 and 7. We are supposed to find the common difference, but my equation will have three things first. Because we are talking about 17th term, that's why 17th term will be equal to AP exceeds its 10th term by 7. The meaning of the word exceeds means to increase. And when I say increase, it means addition, no? Because in addition, what is happening? Things are getting increased. Example, 2 plus 2 will become 4. So it got increased. 2 became 4 by adding 2. It means exceeding. When I say the word exceeding, it means it is plus in mathematics. So I'll put A10 plus 7 because there is the word exceeding. Now come back to the question. 17th term means A17 is equal to exceeds means plus. Exceeds which term? 10th term by how much? By 7. That means 17th term will be equal to 10th term plus 7. Okay. I hope you have understood how did we convert this statement into equation form. Now let us write down the general forms. A17 means A plus 16D is equal to A10 means A plus 9D. Then I have plus 7 as it is. A plus 16D plus A, if I shift on the other side, it will become minus A. Plus 90 on the other side becomes minus 90 is equal to only 7 is remaining now. Now plus A and minus A can be cancelled because plus into minus is minus and A minus A will be 0. Plus 16D minus 90. Plus into minus is minus. How much is 16 minus 9? 7. And 16 is greater. So plus 10. So 16D minus 90 will be 7D is equal to 7. D as it is, D is equal to 7. Into 7, if I take here, it will become divided by 7. 7 ones are 7, 7 ones are 7. So the value of D is 1. That means the common difference is 1. It's a very simple problem. The entire technique was to make this equation by reading the statement. Now onwards, you will have a lot of statement problems. You will have to convert the statement into the given statement into equation form. Only then you will be able to do the problems. We will continue in tomorrow's class. Your homework is only to revise these problems and try to do something on your own because the coming problems can be more complicated if you don't understand these type of problems. We will continue in tomorrow's class. Thank you for watching the video.